Hi guys, it's Dylan at Jordanbikes, and today we've got this for sale, a Harley Davidson Sportster 1200 Superlow. Now this one's a bit different to the usual ones. It's had not only a stage 1 but a stage 2 tuning kit fitted to it as well. So it's got the exhaust, the air filter and the fuel pack, but also some engine modifications too. This one's a 2019 bike on a 69 plate. It's done 679 miles, it's hardly been used, and being the Superlow it comes with extra bits of chrome as well, and it's a little bit lower to the ground. This one has got a backrest, it's got some panniers, and it's got a touring screen as well, just to deflect a little bit of wind. Now these come with a keyless entry system, so we'll start it up for you. Right, if you fancy this, give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.